Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. As you can see from the description, today we are going to be unboxing the January 2019 Discover California box. I am super excited to unbox this. I have done this box one time before on my channel and it was absolutely amazing. And I have been in contact with the owner and curator of this box, and she did ever so kindly send me another one to unbox and review to share with you guys. So a little bit about Discover California. It is $39.95 a month, and what I love about this, their quote, their motto is discovering the Golden State to your door 1 month at a time. So what they do is they focus on like one city, or one thing from California every month, and that is what each box will be about. So this is a fairly new subscription. I'm talking about like maybe 6 months. So it's still new. It is fabulous. Like I said, it is $39.95 a month. However, if you go ahead and prepay for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, it will lower the price each month of the box, depending on how you go about your subscription. So I have some information here, and I just want to go over this. Let's see. I do have for you, which she sent, and I think this is super awesome. It is a coupon code, WELCOME25, and that will get you $25 off a new 3-month subscription. So that is really awesome. And like I said, because it would be a 3-month subscription, the boxes actually would not be $39.95. They would be a little bit less, and then you get 25 off. And so that to me is amazing. Let's see. They do have, which she went ahead and told me, I think this is great. Some of the upcoming months are based on a California author, another big city, and a unique state park. So that is some stuff to look forward to. And other than that, let's just go ahead and dive in. I am going to open this box up here. And this is what it looks like when we open it. The theme for January 2019 is San Francisco. So we're going to learn a little bit about San Francisco today. So let's go ahead. This I think is really awesome, that there is always like here's a map. For San Francisco, and then obviously some different, like tells you about getting around. Then this I think is neat. This right here tells you about, different things during different seasons. And then, here we have a patchwork of different neighborhoods. It says Fisherman's Wharf, North Beach, Chinatown, so it lists a bunch of different areas and what they are about. And so I just think this is really awesome. So you have this, and then you have here, this is the official San Francisco Visitors Map and Guide. Never the same, always San Francisco. So this is going to be slam full of information about San Francisco and different things you can do if you're visiting and touring. So that is awesome. And then here, this is actually going to tell us a little bit about everything that is in our box for the month of January. So here it has on the pamphlet some San Francisco fun facts. San Francisco was originally named Yerba Buena, meaning good herb in Spanish. It was founded in 1776, but renamed in 1846. San Francisco has the second largest Chinatown outside of Asia. It is roughly 1 mile long by 1.5 miles wide. The population is about 100,000 people in Chinatown. San Francisco also has the largest and oldest Japantown in the United States. So let's see. Some other fun facts. San Francisco is covered in fog more than 100 days of the year. That is crazy. San Francisco's cable cars are the only national landmarks that can move. And during the Depression, not a single San Francisco-based bank failed. Interesting. And there's more. So that is really neat that, we get these different facts about the city. And then, like I said, it's going to tell us a little bit about each item in the box. So let's see. One thing that I do want to say too is the box itself, all of the items in the box are going to be from whatever city or, focus of the month, theme of the month. But this I think is super awesome, is that the tissue paper that it's all wrapped up in, I'll show you in just a second, are all from a local artist. She actually, the curator of this box, actually had him come up with this like comic strip type of design. And it's, what I think is neat is this paper is almost, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it really on camera, but it's not just regular tissue paper. It's like specifically designed for the Discover California box, and kind of giving the idea of all of these people going around and gathering all of these items for this box, which I think is super awesome. So, but as you can see, this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and open it. So even the tissue paper is like artwork, which I hate to rip, but I kind of have to get into the box. So we are going to start here. What is this on top? What are you? We have, this is neat. It has like a little world. Accessories for the savvy traveler and the road ahead. So let me get our little pamphlet here. All right. So this is actually, I don't want to butcher it, Origuadillo's travel roll. It says can hold your tech gear or your jewelry. So that's really awesome. So you can put different things in here. So you have your zipper. So you can put items in here. And then, yeah, little snaps. There's 4 of these. So you can hold things in place. I'm gonna like slap myself in the face with this. So then, okay, so then you just roll it up and you can tie it up to keep it secure. So that's super awesome. That's neat. I like that. So let's move right along. I see some socks. Culk is the brand of these socks. It says Culk is a 3-man operation. Sharing a warehouse with other local businesses is the mission. We love their Golden Gate socks and know you will too. So yeah, they are. They have the Golden Gate Bridge. How awesome is that? Those are super neat. All right. I love socks. They feel really thick and soft too, which is great. Oh, and here, I know I mentioned earlier about the next few months, but here it actually has kind of like a clue for February. It says, for February's Discover California box, we'll visit a famous California author and his mystery of mice and men. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. We have something here wrapped up. Oh, this is beautiful. Can you guys see? And it's like a, I'm guessing this is a bookmark. Winslow Rye creates useful gifts that have an element of fun. They've created the cutest bookmark that reminds us of San Francisco's Chinatown. Oh, y'all, that is so pretty. And I remember seeing, yep. So here we have from Winslow Rye. They apparently have an Etsy site, which is etsy.com/shop/Winslow Rye. And you can save 10% on a future order with the coupon code Discover18, and it's actually good through the end of 2019. So there's that. But that is super cute. That's like a really, really cute bookmark. I love that. All right. And then let's see, what else do we have in here? There's lots of stuff in this box. I love that there's always artwork in the box from like a local artist. So like right here, these are absolutely gorgeous. These like almost like watercolor. They are watercolor. Susan Uvo is the artist behind Waterdrop Art Studios. Her watercolor interpretation of San Francisco is featured this month with a slice of her larger prints presented as a bookmark. So, and again, she has an Etsy shop, which is Waterdrop Art Studio. But how beautiful are these? Like, they're super, super, super gorgeous. This one I love. So those are really, really pretty. And then here we have Etched by the Sea arranges beautiful art from found sea glass and then photographs it to share in cards like these that remind us of the rainbow style of the Castro district. And this is super gorgeous. So it's a card, but they have literally taken like and made the letters so beautiful. Yeah, it's actual sea glass. So these are actual pieces of sea glass that were found that they took and she made into this card. That took a photo and made into the card. I think that is absolutely amazing. And it's gorgeous. And then we have, let's see. Elizabeth W. Founder's great-grandmother was the inspiration for the San Francisco business. The fresh scents will fill a bath and your senses. So we have Magnolia exfoliating pouch for shower and bath. Gently rub this pouch on the body in a relaxing shower or bath to massage away excess skin cells and stimulate circulation. Sumptuously scented, locally sourced sea salts fill the cotton pouch, and as the salts dissolve, they soften the water and nourish the skin. That's really awesome. This is what the packaging looks like. And then this is the actual product. Oh, it smells like the ocean. Yeah, yay. All right, and we do have one more thing from the same company, Bath Fizz. It says a set of 2. Drop a nourishing fizz tablet into your bath as the water softens, relax into stress and aromatic bliss. Let's see. So this is what they look like. Oh, those smell so good. Oh, they smell so good. Oh, yes, for sure. All right, those are amazing. All right, and we have one final product. This was my favorite product in the box I did before, and it is a candle. She works with a company, NESW Wax Company, and they literally have a candle like for every area, every city. And I know the last box I did, it was Solvang, and it smelled amazing. I mean, absolutely amazing. And I love that they come in mason jars, because y'all know I'm in the South and we love our mason jars. Says, so the City of by the Bay's scent is carnation, lily, tuberose, violet, and vanilla. San Francisco has never smelled better. And what I really think is super cute is that every one right here will show you a little heart of where the actual city is in California. And it also has the longitude and latitude on the lid, which is super cute. And last time, I don't believe I caught this in the video, it was when I actually went to light the candle. It was super cute. On the inside here, on the lid, oh, okay, well maybe not. There were matches last time. Oh, that smells good. It smells like springy and florally, and that smells really good. I really like that. San Francisco smells amazing. So, that candle. You guys, I'm blown away yet again by Discover California. So we got the socks, we got the amazing candle, the beautiful bookmark, the card, the travel roll, the 2 watercolor bookmarks, and the Magnolia, the exfoliating pouch, and the Bath Fizz. You guys, I mean, this stuff is amazing. I think it's all gorgeous, and I absolutely, yet again, like I said, am blown away. And I'm going to smell the candle again because it smells so, here, smell. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of January 2019 Discover California box. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up, as well as the coupon code that she did send to let me share with you guys. Welcome 25. It will get you $25 off a 3-month subscription. So that is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon with another one. Bye.